It's another day in paradise, as you can tell. I got ugly Betsy behind me. She's beautiful as ever. Alright, so today I'm gonna work some more on the sanding. I'm adjusted all the heights in the back, no longer rubs. The tire on this side is shot on my spare one that I have. It's in the trunk right here. So I'm gonna try to find some used ones. I'm gonna get a new used tire on that side as well. I'm just gonna see if I can find a pair to stick on it. And then I'm gonna sand this thing out and get it painted. But first, I need to clean up a little bit. So you get to watch me clean this nasty place. Finished sanding these parts, that one as well. I'm gonna even this out, respray it. Now that's a loyal girlfriend right there. Alright guys, my battery died. And then the other day my dad come home and was complaining about how he wanted to rest. So I just left him be. Working on sanding today, get this thing ready for paint. She's cleaning inside the interior because she's a boss. And I'm gonna pay her a little bit of money when we sell this thing.
Okay.
You see what happens when you talk back?
That you
I didn't do that. Cujo stepped on her face. You know, that's what happens when you're 90 pounds and a monster. Cody, a monster. Before and after. I hate working on BMWs. Troy, throw on some sick beat for me to dance to. Alright, so today on the agenda I have the tranny cover thingy-mabobber. I don't know what it's called. Alright, so I'm gonna change that, and then I also have the drive shaft bearing. So while we're in there doing that, we're gonna change that as well. So I'm currently waiting for the car to cool down. I might change the back door panels because I have newer ones, not new ones, newer. But yeah, I mean, could you just, you know, I don't understand this, but these are just like shit. Look how nasty those are. They don't make no sense, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna get this thing jacked up. I'm gonna get it on 4 jack stands. Safety first, boys and girls. Always strap up. And always strap up on other times too, if you know what I'm saying. Because yeah, we'll leave that there. Got really good news, guys. Let me grab her here. But I'm legal. I can stop driving this car in Mexico every time I take it out. But I'm legal. Jesus Christ, I remember how much it was. It was ridiculous how much they wanted for the taxes on this thing, bro. It was like $295 for the taxes and the tag. That is ridiculous. It's like a quarter of what I paid for the damn car. Crazy, man. Don't make no sense. North Carolina out here taxing folks. They out here taxing folks. I'm a little bit winded. Crawling up under this car. I'm getting fat. Alright, so this is what I'm doing today. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but that pan is leaking. I figured, you know, I might as well just change the whole pan instead of that stupid ass bolt. The pan was like 30 bucks. If I'm gonna get down here and do it, I might as well just do it all. It takes 10 quarts. They wanted like 29 a quart in Advanced Auto. But lucky for me, I got the hookup. So this heat shield looks like it's just about ready to come off. So I got, I think it was 10 quarts for like 90 bucks off of eBay. I mean, it don't get much better than that, honestly, you know. But oh, I'll show you all this. So I got this at Advanced Auto the other day. $30. 30. This is basically every tool that you need for a BMW. BMW weird ass tools. I got the weird tools. I bought, I think it was 1, 2 these, and then just those two for like $50. And it was this brand like a year ago. And he's like, yo, we got this whole set for 30 bucks. I mean, and it's even got all the big boys. I mean, come on. 30 bucks? 30 bucks, bro? Thanks for looking out, brother. Thanks for looking out. But let me get up there, drop this oil. I'm gonna see how it looks. Of course, it's a 3/8, so I'm gonna have to pry my ass off to get that thing open. But we'll see what's up. So, kind of good news, bad news. I don't know. It's kind of both. So I just dropped my training oil, and there's supposed to be 10 quarts. It looks like only about maybe 2 or 3 came out. So that's how low it was. So it was probably good that I decided to do this and noticed that that tranny thing was cracked. Or not cracked, it's leaking. There's no telling how long it's been leaking. But it literally drained for, as you can tell, like maybe 15 seconds. Not much. Not much at all. So I'm gonna get that pan off. I've been hearing a lot of vibration under the car, and I guess I figured out what that is. The heat shields aren't even bolted in. I'm gonna take them off anyways. Heat shields are annoying as fuck. It's not gonna do anything. The exhaust isn't gonna burn through the car. So yeah, we're gonna get those off, and I'm gonna try to go to an exhaust shop very soon about getting some of these mufflers off, and maybe about buying a blow off valve. Guys, so I've been hustling down here. It's getting rough. I got off all the heat shields, the exhaust, because I'm changing the drive shaft bearings. I already bought new ones, so I figured I might as well do it while I'm down here. And then we're gonna put that pan back on. I'm gonna clean the seal, and then we'll put that back on and refill her. And I'm not gonna leave any of these heat shields on because they're just annoying as hell and they vibrate when you start the car in the morning. Alright guys, so update. Drive shaft bearing was a bitch to get out. Tried putting the new one in and broke it. So I gotta wait on Alex to come get me so I can go get one. I mean, what a piece of Chinese piece of shit. Chinese piece of shit. That's all I gotta say. I'm tired of it. I am tired of it. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get to Old Advance. Alright guys, my mom's here to pick me up. Look at her, she looks real happy. Hey Mom! Alright, so last night was kind of a pain in the ass, but I ended up getting it. The drive shaft bearing was just annoying as hell. It came out of the bearing assembly part. Went to Advanced Auto. They didn't have one, but they had a press that I could use. So I pressed it back in. I got it put back together. Oh look, it's Alex. She's home. Look at her, she's smiling. She's hungry. She's always hungry. But I got the whole car back together. The transmission fluid and everything back in. It was annoying, very annoying, but I got it done. And tomorrow, I'm going to be working on that. when you're lazy and just drag all the trash bags. All right, we're gonna start her up, let her run for a few minutes, get the juices flowing. I like to start it up every few weeks, even though it's broke. It's been a few weeks since I started it. No glow plug action, we don't need it. I'd say it starts up pretty good for a blown head gasket. There she is. The beast. The beast. It's not even cold outside. Hello! Hello! Callie, oh my gosh, hey! Hey! To go.
What? Don't blow it up.
I said don't blow it up.
It's definitely charged.
What did he do, Troy?
I don't know, maybe charge by
Alright, JD, why don't you tell me how you feel right about now?
How do I feel? I feel not too bad, but bad because I don't want no problem, no drama. Real bad car. But, you know, this shit right here is doing something. Oh, it's a pump.
So it's your housing. It's where you put your coolant in. We'll be back in a second, guys. This is a lot of drama happening today. What happened, didn't we? Did we just blow our turbos?
Maybe. We'll find out.
Okay. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's not looking good, Troy. There he is. She's puffing. What do you got to say? We're fucked.
Just wait and see.
We're fucked, bro. Tell me how you feel, JD.
That shit is real sexy on the tow truck, you know, but it would be better if I could drive it home, you know what I'm saying?
How do you feel, Troy? Yeah, it looks good from the back, but... Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to get that on camera.
So I got 19 inch on here. This is the M Sport, so you know I got the good tires and the good wheels on here.
I ain't cleaned them in 3 years.
Literally, since I got into since they ran over my car, I cleaned it, so...
This is how he can afford a car like this. He's famous.
Yeah.
Ah! Alright, guys. I'm back. I'm back today. Oh, ugly Betsy. She's back. Took the rims off because those tires are way too wide in the back. They're just... I raised it up a bunch and it's still rubbing. I don't want tractor fitment on this thing. I'm gonna throw the black ones back on this one and then throw these back on the 335 because I mean the 335 spins like crazy and those tires just aren't big enough for it. So I'm gonna switch it up and put the bigger ones on the 335. But today I'm getting some more sanding and stuff done. Stuff is such an annoying process, but if you guys have done it before, you know what I'm talking about. We're getting this thing ready for paint. We get it painted. And then we're probably gonna sell it, honestly. I want to get a quicker project, maybe an M3, I don't know. I've been looking at a few of those. Those are pretty steep, but I really want a CTSV in the long run. It's the best bang for the buck, bro. Best bang for the buck. But yeah, I've got a bunch of these sections done. It looks pretty straight. I mean, you know, I'm not a professional. I don't expect it to be perfect. I've never really done too much body work in my lifetime. I just want to get it halfway decent, so when I get it sprayed, I'm going to do the Mako special. And then we'll get her up for sale. But I'll get a little bit of this work on film. I bought my tripod with me today. They call me tripod, so you know what's up. Alright, so I forgot to give y'all an update on the 335. I changed all the fluids out the other day, and the bearings, and the drive shaft bearing, and the drive shaft center support. And I was driving it the other day and it jerked in between second and third like it was revving up. So I felt that was kind of weird. So I got home, I had Max come over because my Amazon Fire tablet has not came in yet. And it's throwing codes for the coolant temp sensor. And it's saying that the fan is faulty. So I'm guessing that the coolant temp sensor is bad, which causing the fan not to turn on. And those cars have tranny coolers, which I guess made the tranny too hot. That's why it was slipping. So the car needs a new radiator regardless. It leaks a little bit, and that sensor being bad. So I'm kind of just chilling on driving it for a little bit. I'm gonna drive the Acura around until I can get a radiator and a coolant temp sensor and all that jazz. So big things coming for that very soon. If I can get rid of this, the E36, and rid of the Acura, I'm gonna get my truck fixed, and then big plans are coming. And then I can get some money to put this thing back together. Cause I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You know, boys, just some low-lifers here, chilling, talking about like car engines knocking, misfires from here.
Drove to turn the camera around.
And there's your intro. Welcome to 828 Beamer Boy, the slowest Beamer in Nashville.